name's Di.
Hi, my name's Cass, and welcome to Kidsoft's End of Financial Year Tips and Tricks webinar.
As a chartered accountant, this is my favourite time of the year. Getting to the end of the financial year has me super excited because that means we're starting a new financial year afresh. So a couple of things to think about as we head into the financial year. A good tip is to think about what are those bad debts that we might need to write off.
You can find the Age Balances report by clicking on your Reports menu and under Financial, Age Balances. You can enter your as of date, and as a tip, if you would like to generate the report for both active and inactive guardians, simply just remove the active tag and you can click search. This will then generate the report for both your active and inactive guardians.
When your accountant asks you to give them your financial reports for the year, your financial summary report or your financial detail report, I would suggest waiting to after free childcare ends before pulling those reports. You may have unsubmitted attendances that you didn't quite get to by the 6th of April when the federal government brought in free childcare, or you might have attendances that you need to make adjustments for and resubmit. Once you're happy with your attendances and you've submitted them all, you can go and print your financial summary report and your financial detail report. Cassie will show you where those live.
Both of these reports you can find under your Reports menu, and under Financial, you will find the Financial Detail and the Financial Summary reports. You can generate the date range for the financial year, the 1st of July to the 30th of June, and click Search. The detail report is the same report as the summary, it's just in further detail and splits it out per child and guardian.
Typically every year we put our fees up in July. It's kind of standard childcare practice, but this year's a little different. The federal government has put transition payments in place until September and has asked us as childcare centres not to put our fees up till then. However, you can do this ahead of time if you wish to put them up in September. Cassie will show you how.
Thanks, Di. You can click on your service menu, and under configurations, you're going to click on your rooms and booking types. When you click on the bulk edit booking fees, this allows you to update all of your fee structure in bulk. So you can set the new date effective. So this date's going to be after the 27th of September, and you can simply override your fees. Another tip is that you can also update your start time and end time for each room and booking type. This will submit a new enrolment notice 200D automatically on the new date effective for all of those enrolments.
CCS has already released the new rates for the financial year, and Kidsoft has already put these in for you. The rates are $12.20 for long day care and $10.67 for outside school hours care. So if you wish to give your families their customer account statements in advance so they know what they're going to be paying post free childcare, you can estimate and pull those customer account statements now with the correct rates. It's also a good time of year to start reminding your families to put their new income estimates in. So to go into their MyGov accounts and put what their estimates for the FY21 year are going to be. Another thing to remind families is that CCS balancing will occur when their income tax return is lodged. Once these things occur, so either putting new income estimates in or tax returns lodged, there is a possibility that their CCS entitlement may change. A good tip and trick is to watch out for those notifications on the front screen of Kidsoft and then look at the CCS entitlement variation report. Cass will show you how.
Thank you. So you can see you've got entitlement notifications. When you click on those notifications, it's going to show you the enrolment and the child's name and the changes that have occurred to that enrolment. You can click on that hyperlink within that notification and it's going to take you straight to the entitlement history tab for the child's enrolment. You can also generate your CCS entitlement variation report. You can do this by clicking on your Reports menu and under CCS, click on the CCS entitlement variation. This report will show you all changes, matching the enrolment notifications for the child's enrolment. So this may include your CCS percentage, the total hours per fortnight, and the rate cap increase. They're just a few examples.
Another great thing about the new financial year is it's a time to start thinking about those budgets, thinking about what our KPIs are going forward, and trying to forget the previous year. So in Kidsoft, you can go to our KPI report, and this will help you report on things like your utilisation by week, your revenue, your payments, your CCS, everything that you need to be able to report on your KPIs.
You can find this report by clicking on your reports menu, and again, under the financial menu, you can click on KPI. This report can be generated into a CSV or emailed straight out of Kidsoft.
One of my favourite things about Kidsoft is that we're very settings driven. So everything in Kidsoft, you decide what you want to use. One of the fabulous settings in Kidsoft is our balance lock. So this ensures that when you carry out a transaction, it creates it in the balance lock period. So it's good for things like when you lodge your BAS statement or your income tax return, it means your numbers don't change. Cassie will show you how to access that setting.
Thanks, Di. We all know over here at Kidsoft that this is Di's favourite setting. You're going to click on the service menu, and under configurations, click on settings. You're then going to click on your finance tab, and under the finance configuration, you're going to find the balance lock date. To update the setting date, you can simply enter in a new date. If you cannot see this balance lock date feature, please reach out to us at the Kidsoft Customer Success team, and we will enable the setting for you.
There's lots of fabulous features in Kidsoft that will help you with your housekeeping at the end of financial year. We won't take up any more of your time, but please reach out to us if you've got any questions or need any assistance. We are here for you. Thanks for having us.
Thanks, everyone. Bye.
Bye.